Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar. Today he will talk on the topic of the control of the air pollution, how the air pollution can be controlled. The following items are commonly used as pollution control devices by industry or the transportation devices. They can either destroy contaminants or remove them from an exhaust stream before it is emitted into the atmosphere. Number one, the particulate control. Mechanical collectors, dust cyclones, multicyclone, cyclonic separation is a method of removing particulates from the air, gas or water stream without the use of filters through vortex separation. Rotational effects and gravity are used to separate mixtures of the solids and fluids. A high-speed rotating air flow is established between a cylindrical or conical contour called a cyclone. Air flow is a spiral pattern beginning at the top wide end and the cyclone at the end in bottom of the narrow end before exiting the cyclone in a straight stream through the center of cyclone and out of the top. Larger, denser particles in the rotating stream have too much inertia to follow the tight curve of the stream and strike the outside wall, falling them to the bottom of the cyclone where they can be removed. In a conical system, as the rotating flow moves towards the narrow end of the cyclone, the rotational radius of the stream is reduced, separating smaller and smaller particles. The cyclone geometry together with flow rate defines the cut point on the cyclone. This is the size of the particle that will be removed from the stream with 50% efficiency. Particles larger than cut point will be removed with a greater efficiency and a small particulate with a low efficiency. Number two, electrostatic precipitors. An electrostatic precipitator or electrostatic air cleaner is a particulate collection device that removes particles from the flowing gas such as air using the force of an induced electrostatic charge. Electrostatic precipitors are highly efficient filtration devices that minimally impede the flow of gases through the device and can be easily remove fine particulate matter such as dust and smokes from the air stream. In contrast to the wet subscriber, which apply energy directly to flowing flow medium, and ESP applies energy only to the particulate matter being collected and therefore is very efficient in its consumption of energy in the form of electricity. Number third, particulates scrubbers. The term wet scrubber describes a variety of devices that remove pollutants from a furnace, flue gases, or from other gases stream. In a wet scrubber, the polluted gas stream is brought into contact with the scrubbing liquid by spraying it with the liquid, by forcing it through a pool of liquid, or by some other contact method so as to remove the pollutants. The design of the wet scrubbers or any air pollution control device depends on the industrial process conditions and the nature of the air pollutants involved. Inlet gas characteristics and dust property are of the primary importance. Scrubbers can be designed to collect particulate matter and or gaseous pollutants. Wet scrubbers remove dust particles by capturing them in liquid droplets. Wet scrubbers remove pollutant gases by dissolving or absorbing them into the liquid. Any droplets that are in the scrubber inlet gas must be separated from the outlet gas streams by means of the another device referred to as a mist eliminator or intertainment separator. These terms are interchangeable. Also, the resultant scrubbing liquid must be treated by prior to ultimate discharge or being reused in the plant. Vehicular pollution can be checked by regular tune-up of the engines, replacement of the more polluting old vehicles, instant catalytic converters by engine modification to have a fuel efficient mixture to reduce the CO hydrocarbon emission and the slow of the cooler burning of fuel to reduce the NOx emission. Using low sulfur coal in the industry. Minimize or modify activity which cause pollution, transportation and energy production. Hence, these are the control for the air pollution, how the air pollution can be controlled. These are the control of the air pollution. Number one is the particulate control. We can control the particulate to control the air pollution, and the cyclogic system is given. Number two, the electrostatic precipitator. Electrostatic precipitors can be used for electrostatic cleaning, air cleaner as a particulate connection device. Number third is the particulate scrubber. Term weight scrubber defines a variety of device that can be used. Right? And number third, particulate scrubbers. Maybe a vehicular pollution can be checked, regular tune of the engine. Using the low sulfur coal in the industry, minimize or modified the activity which cause pollution and transportation and energy production. These are the control of the air control.